Well, hello there YouTubers, here we have another electric bike. Well, actually it's basically the same one you saw the other day, except this isn't the Saracen frame. This is the Townie, or Electra Townie cruiser bike. Now, I did try selling this thing, but nobody wanted it, even for £40. Probably because it doesn't pedal very well up hills, and this is quite a hilly area. So I put the electric bike motor from the Saracen, and the controller and battery on it, and as you'll see there's no tape holding this on anymore. It has actually got a proper battery rack on here. It was still a bit wobbly, so I added this cable tie, although it didn't really improve things that much. Just a little bit, yeah, it just does that. There's just enough loads of play in the actual mechanism. It doesn't really affect anything though, so you know, I suppose it could hit the chain in theory, but I have another way of sorting that out, just to hold it in there a little bit. 1000 watt motor on the back. Yes, 9 continents clone, not much copper in there unfortunately, but it'll handle 1000 watts and not a lot more. Top speed's about 30 miles an hour, thereabouts. I've got to get some more cable ties, got to run to the store and get some. Just had these kicking around, just literally threw this together in about 20 minutes. Yeah, big thick beefy dropouts on the back. Twist roll, I've got to move this as well. I was thinking about putting this on a, you know those cow horns or like bar ends? I was thinking of putting that on there and that on there as a twisty like that, because you're not going to use it that much, and having it anywhere on the bar is going to be horrible, as it's just going to get in the way. I mean, it looks pretty cool. It rides really relaxed. Yeah, it's really comfy to ride, not going to lie. It's not super fast. I mean, this would suit an engine kit, but in where I am, that's not legal, and yeah, I haven't really got anywhere to really use one too much. I mean, I do it a little bit, but not that much. Yeah, all works. Thank you for watching. That concludes